Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Once you install and open Visual Studio Code, you're greeted with a welcoming screen that's packed with powerful tools designed to boost your productivity. In this video, we'll take a detailed look at each section and button to help you unlock the full potential of your coding environment. Let's get started. So, on the far left, you'll find the activity bar. The first icon in this bar is the Explorer, which lets you view folders and files. Below that is the magnifying glass icon, which you can use to search, find, and replace text and files across your entire workspace. Next up is the source control icon, which helps you track changes in your code using Git and GitHub. Next, we have the run and debug icon. This allows you to execute your code and debug it using breakpoints, making it easier to identify and fix issues. Next is the extensions marketplace icon, where you can add extra features to your code editor. This allows you to customize Visual Studio Code with themes, tools, and other functionalities to enhance your coding experience. Finally, you'll find a couple of icons for your account and managing settings. In the top bar, you'll find the command palette. You can access it by selecting View and choosing it as your first option, or by using the shortcut. The command palette is crucial because it serves as the control center for all commands in Visual Studio Code. In the Start section, you have options to create a new file to start coding immediately, open an existing file from your local system, open a folder, and connect to a remote repository or service such as GitHub or a remote development environment. Below it, the Recent section lists your most recently opened folders and files. This makes it easy to quickly jump back into your projects without navigating through your file system. On the right side, you'll find the Walkthroughs section. It features a guide titled Get Started with Visual Studio Code, which helps you customize your editor, learn the basics, and start coding. OK, at the bottom of the screen, you'll find the status bar. On the left, you'll see the number of errors or warnings. On the right, you'll find the current line number and the programming language. This bar provides essential information at a glance, ensuring you stay informed about the state of your code as you work. Directly above that is a panel displaying output and debug information, problem details, and an integrated terminal. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial videos. See you next time.